No, start, mate.
Oh, what?
Start again.
You're doing this to take me car?
Oh no.
So now Dan's gone, so what are we going to say is not happening now, is it? I'm having a diva moment here. Where's all my blue skills? Right, we just got the donor lay on him, start nicking some bits of wiring. There's been a fair bit of work done since we last filmed out, really. Managed to get all the engine stripped down and swapped over, so it's pretty much the Ibiza engine that we took out, but we've put the new Manny and turbo on that we saw before. Just need to go into racing spares and dig out our inlet manifold, so we're good with that. We've not got one on shelf to go straight on it. It's been like supermarket sweep, but somebody's already been and added everything before then, so trying to do it. We've rebuilt gearbox, so this is a Cooper gearbox. All this bit, the bell housing, which is an O2M still, well they call it an OA9 or whatever, but it's an O2M, so the same clutch and flywheel fits this as would have fitted that. But then we've had to put a Mark IV Golf outer casing on, which if the gearbox bell housing, or the gearbox that you're using has got one of these plastic end caps, they need to match. So if it's not got one, you need to have the end casing and the bell housing to be from a car that's orientated like that, otherwise the bearing just won't fit. So basically it says FMH on this gearbox, but we know it's got Cooper ratio, so that's just so the gearbox mount fits, otherwise you've got that weight set. So this is all built back up. We're not going to be building up loads of brand new stuff this, because the idea is not to spend a load of money unnecessarily and making stuff look fancy. We're just doing it to get it running, to get it on there and get it tested. So all that stuff is going back to Nick. We're not going to use any of it, we've got no need for it, so that can all go. We'll let Dan kind of do what he's doing. We'll just see what Paul's doing here. So what's the plan with this then, Paul?
Wiring out.
So are we going to be using the full engine loom from this, or is it going to be some stuff came with that?
Yeah, it's going to be full engine loom to ECU, but then a section of it between ECU and car.
Yeah, that's what we're going to have to chop out of this and join it together. So some very weird things like seat position sensor, something stupid like that, loom that we've used for that. They're on back order, so we might have to chop them off and put some on, but we'll see what we can figure out with that one. So you're going to rip into that, and then this stuff like door locks and you keep working, Paul. Sorry, never mind us. There's stuff like door locks and I think we might need mirrors off it. Somewhat, I think there might be a mirrors, door locks. If it had a boot, it would be boot latches. We're going to take stuff like rear bumper. This is pretty much a standard rear bumper, so it's going to take the bumper off this car and use it. And we thought we were going to be weighing this car in before we got this project, so that's why it's just full of rubbish in back. We've already got the tyres and the wheels sorted. So that's one of them. So these wheels are 17x9s. Not sure on the offset, it doesn't really matter what we're doing. But these are made out of magnesium, so they're really light. I've got a random red one in what we've got, but anyway, is what it is. So we've put some Yokohama AO52s on, because they're the tyres that we did pole position lap at Silverstone GP the other day. So we know these tyres are quick, and they're pretty good when it's damp as well, so we're going to run these. These are just to shake the car down. It's a known setup. If we go to Donington, Brands Hatch, Silverstone testing, we know if the lap times are a second or two quicker than what we normally do, the car's not really any faster. So here's what it is. More tyres for testing there, but they're for the Ibiza, not really for the not really for this layout. So what else are we doing? So the gearbox is done, engine's done. I think we'll just keep ripping into this. I'm hoping ticket lights and stuff like that off as well. We're not too far away from having everything we need off this wing a day or so. We've got a few rectification jobs to do on R&B for track car before we go to the next race at Brands Hatch, and that's in the GP track as well, and that's in the Track Day Championship, so we'll try and get that sorted. Yeah, I think there's all else worth recording. We'll get down here and we'll get it recorded. Right, so there's fuel cans, that's significant. We've sussed out what all this wiring does. It's nicely finished. We've sussed out what it all does, so that just wants plugging in. It's routed roughly where it's going to go. So mind the boots there until we decide to take one off another one. So inside we've got some lay-on clocks and a bit more wiring. So that's another indication of what's going on here. And then now we have an engine and a pole in the engine bay. So we're just putting inlet manifold on because it's only just been finished after it's been put in. So very happy. There's a few more wires still to connect up. Alternator's not charging yet. We've not obviously got a map sensor to plug into, and this all still wants achieving and neatening up, but it's somewhere near to where it wants to be. There's some little bits of the original stuff that came on this car, and then the rest that you see that's all still bare, this is the stuff that we took out the donor layer. So everything's on there, there's no downpipe on. Let's see what happens. So I'm assuming on clocks are beeping like mad at us. Not happy about that. There we go. Now, I don't know if you can tell from that video, but it's absolutely shaking the car all over the place. So we're sort of the impression at the minute that we're going to change them silly engine mounts, even though it puts the engine nicely back and a bit lower down and what have you. I think they're going to cause us too much trouble. See, before we get too excited, but I think we're going to make changes because a stiff engine mount like that is just going to completely shake every bolt loose all the time, and it'll not do any favours at all. Gear linkage is working. It's quite a bit further away from me. You probably want to know whether the seating position is not ideal, but probably want to just lever that, angle that lever back a little bit, and then to go. So lights are just very easy to get to. Hopefully that's doing something to the other end. With the kill switch and all that carry on. Fire extinguishers all here. So it's a bit loose, but that's to be expected. So we've got the battery that it's going to have in it's already in here, Odyssey, which is one of these. It's one of the bigger ones. The power steering pump that you can see down there, that's a Citroen Saxo one. I'm not sure if that was in the car at any point when it was campaign, I doubt it. But it's still got original fittings and stuff, so it looks like it's just come out of the scrapyard like that. So we're probably going to ditch that and put Mercedes A-class pump in there. This all needs looking at. These pedals are all a bit dodgy. Oh dear, they're all a bit dodgy. So we'll get all that sorted. And yeah, we're making progress. It's definitely first time this car has had an engine that runs in it, should I say, the engine that's in this car. Never going to see the light of day again, I wouldn't have thought, but yeah, we're happy. We've done a fair amount of work. Paul's having a few days off work after this, not because of this job, he's got other stuff he wants to do. So we're going to try and get this boxed up and sent over to the fab shop so they can make the hose pipes, sort the intercooler out, get the radiator all plumbed in, new an exhaust, cut the bumper out and do all that stuff. So there'll be progress on it over the next week or so. Whether it's what way we want it to be, when we want it to be there, not too sure, but still plenty to do, lots of neatening up, lots of bits to make, lots of little bits to fabricate, and tons of things to recover, so we've still got a fair way to go. And again, like last time, not sure what else we're going to get done, we can't get recorded, so this is the end of the video. Like, share, subscribe, cheers.